Like I said in the last video, most of the work you're going to do as a copywriter is going to be in Google Docs, just writing in a Google document. That's cool because it's really easy to share Google documents so people can comment on them, collaborate with you, et cetera, et cetera. So you're going to get really good at using Google Docs. Whenever you do share a document for review for your fellow students or anything like that, make sure you turn on the right access. Make sure you share with comment access if you want people to be able to comment on it. If you want people to be able to edit the actual words on the paper, maybe you're working with a client, you want to make sure you have edit access. This sounds like basic stuff. Google has a bunch of stuff. If you don't know how to actually share, just go into Google and search how to share a Google Doc, and it'll show you exactly how to do it. But just out of courtesy, when you share Google Docs inside of the campus, make sure that you have your settings dialed in right so that other students can actually help you. So make sure that they can view it and make sure they at least can comment on it if you want help or feedback from your fellow students.